A moral stories.
Have you ever heard the story of three brave goats who lived in a beautiful valley filled with fresh green grass? But with time, the grass was all gone. Now they had to find a new place full of fresh, tasty, green grass. But on the way stood an old wooden bridge. And under that bridge lived a scary monster, Gorgo. Would the three goats escape from the monster? What trick would they use? Let's enjoy the adventurous tale of three billy goats, Gruff, which many also call Three Sheep and the Monster Story in English. A long time ago, three goat brothers, Ben, Jen, and Ken, lived in a beautiful valley. Ben was the eldest, strong and with sharp horns. Jen was the middle one, calm and wise. And Ken, the youngest, naughty and playful. They spent their days eating grass, playing, and having fun. But slowly, the valley lost all its grass. So they had to move to a new place, where they could eat to their heart's content. Not far away, there was a green meadow. But in between stood a wooden bridge. And under that bridge lived Gorgo, a terrible monster, with big sharp teeth, glowing red eyes, long claws, and a foul smell. He loved eating goats. Whoever crossed the bridge, Gorgo would catch and eat them. The three brothers reached the bridge. And they made a plan together. Ben said, "First, Ken will go, then Jen, and I'll go last. If Gorgo stops us, we'll trick him with words." Jen said, "If we stay calm and think smart, we can win." Ken said, "All right. I'm the youngest, I should go first." So, Ken, though small, was very brave. He slowly stepped onto the bridge. As soon as he did, Gorgo roared and asked, "Who's that on my bridge?" Ken shivered and said, "I'm too skinny, my elder brothers are coming, they're much tastier than me." Gorgo thought, let's wait for the bigger ones. And he let Ken pass. Next came Jen. When he reached the bridge, Gorgo came again and said, "You're a bit fat. Now I'll eat you." Jen smartly replied, "My elder brother is coming, he's the biggest feast you'll ever get." Gorgo's mouth watered. He let Jen pass too. And now came Ben. He was fearless and confident. As he stepped on the bridge, Gorgo roared, "Now I'll eat you." But Ben said firmly, "Come on then. But remember, I'm not like the others." Gorgo jumped forward. But Ben lowered his head and hit him hard with his sharp horns. Bang! Gorgo rolled back, slipped, and fell straight into the deep valley below. His scream echoed. No! And he never came back again. Ben called his brothers. And the three of them crossed the bridge together. They happily walked into the green meadow, where there was grass, freedom, and no fear. Moral of the story: never run away from fear, face it wisely. Unity is strength. With intelligence and patience, any problem can be solved. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, comment which goat you liked the most, Ben, Jen, or Ken. And yes, subscribe for more fun and meaningful stories. Thank you.